In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a TikTok video as a live photo on your Android phone. So once you've gone ahead and opened up TikTok, you can go ahead and then go to your profile, and then what you want to do is tap on any one of your TikTok videos. I'll tap on the first one as you see on the screen. And then from here, you can see on the right hand side, you have the like button, the comments, and underneath that is 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and tap on those dots. And then you'll be on this screen, and then what you need to do there where it says analytics, save video, use this effect. Now it's not the save video button. You want to scroll to the right hand side of that, and then you will see a live photo. It's like a circle with a dotted line around the circle. Go ahead, tap on live photo, and then what this essentially does will allow you to save this live photo as your phone's wallpaper. So all you would need to do then is go ahead and hit the apply button, and then that would be saved as your phone's wallpaper. And I believe it'll be saved to your phone's gallery as well, so you'll have that live photo if you want to just go ahead and watch it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.